Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin, and in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite equipment I like to use anytime I'm working out. They'll not only get you in shape and ready to take on the day, but they're also incredibly easy to use. I'm talking about the Pro Form Weider Select weight dumbbells. These dumbbells are great because of the easy to use Selector System. The weight per dumbbell varies from 10 pounds to 50 pounds, and you can select your weight at 10-pound increments. Say you're doing an arm exercise like a bicep curl and want to use the 10 pounds, but next up in your workout is a squat where you can handle more weight. All you have to do is lift this tab up here and move it to the weight you'd like to use, and just like that, now you've got 30 pounds to use to strengthen those legs without missing a beat. The dumbbells are uniquely shaped to make sure they stay put during your workout, so you'll never have to worry about them rolling away or rolling over anything nearby. The width of the handle is also kept shorter to match the weight you lift and maintain better balance for a more effective workout. And they come with storage trays. So after your workout, just place the dumbbells back on the trays and your home gym is already good as new. Just think about how much space you could be saving by having 5 dumbbells in one. If that doesn't pump you up, I don't know what will. If you have any questions about the Pro Form Weider Select weight dumbbells or any other fitness equipment we sell here at APT, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We're always happy to help. Which way to the gym? Is it that way or that way? I'll see you next time.